Hello, dear students. I am Dharamveer. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have a video for 9th class on the topic surface area and volume. Chapter 13. So first of all, we must know about the different shapes of the solids. An object which occupy a space that is called a solid. What is meant by solid? A solid which an object that occupies space is called a solid. And the space occupied by that solid is known as its volume. So today we will discuss about different shapes. First is cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere, which are concerned about these chapters. First of all, I take the cuboid, a solid with 6 rectangular faces. This is a cuboid, a solid with 6 rectangular faces. One face, second face, third face, fourth above, one backward, one downward. The 6 faces, rectangular faces, that is called a cuboid. Example, a matchbox, your room, classroom, house room, they all are the example of the cuboid. The next is cube. This is a cube. A cube is that solid which has length, breadth and height in equal dimensions. The 3 dimensions lie length, breadth and height. If these 3 dimensions are equal, then the solid will be called as a cube. The edges of cuboid as well as the cubes, they are known as the sides. 3 edges, 3 one face, other face. This is also having the 6 face. All the 6 faces are of the sphere type. Cube had 6 faces. They are not rectangular, but they are spheres. What difference with cuboid is, a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, but the cube has 6 square face. Other shape is example of the cube, that is the dice. You play a game with dice, that is the example of the cube. And ice cube, sugar cubes, they are all the cubes. Let us take another example of a solid, that is a cone. Birthday baby cap, that is a cone. Joker cap or ice cream cone, that is a cone. This has the circular face, one other triangular face. This is a cone. Next is sphere, cylinder. Cylinder. Example: circular pipes. Measuring cylinder. The example of the cylinder. The two ends are circular, while this is the longitudinal part. This is a cylinder. Another is sphere. Just like a cricket ball or a plastic ball, they are the spheres, solid spheres. Hollow spheres are of two types: hollow, solid, and hollow spheres. This is hemisphere. Hemisphere. So in this chapter we will discuss about these 6 types of the solids. One is the cuboid, other is cube. Next is a cone, cylinder, sphere, and hemispheres. Now let us take the formulas used for these solids. First of all, I take first cuboid. The 3 sides are named as length, breadth, and height. The 3 edges or 3 sides of a cuboid are length, breadth, and height. The formula for surface area: surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB, is length is L, breadth B, height H. Surface area of cuboid will be 2 into LB in length into breadth plus BH, breadth into height plus LH, length into height. So this is the formula for surface area of cuboid. When we are not mentioning which type of surface area, that will be not named as the total surface area. So I am writing total for this. Total surface area of the cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. The lateral surface area of cuboid will be 2 into LB into height. 2 into L plus B, length and breadth the sum of the length and breadth multiplied by 2 and then multiplied by height. This is also known as the area of the four walls. Lateral surface area is named by another word, that is area of a four wall. अगर आपको किसी रूम की चार दीवारों का क्षेत्रफल निकालना हो, एरिया निकालना हो, तो उसके लिए लेटरल सरफेस एरिया भी वर्ड यूज हो जाता है और एरिया ऑफ द फोर वॉल, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू एल प्लस बी इंटू हाइट, एंड द वॉल्यूम of cuboid L into B into height. The shape I have already drawn. This is the cuboid. If you have to find the total surface area, lateral surface area and volume of the cuboid, so these are the three formulas. Then you have to find the diagonal of each face. Diagonal of faces D1, D2 and other is D3. So these are the diagonals of the cuboids. That there are 6 faces of 2 are the opposite faces of each. यानी जैसे ये एक सामने का फेस है, एक इसके पीछे फेस है, तो ये दोनों एक जैसे होंगे. ऐसे एक इधर का फेस, एक इसके पीछे का फेस, दोनों फेस वो भी बराबर, ऊपर का फेस और नीचे का फेस, रूफ और फ्लोर, तो ये भी बराबर होते हैं. तो इसलिए अगर डायगोनल निकालने हो, डायगोनल diagonals of faces of cuboid will be L square plus B square under root, यानी one diagonal B square plus S square under root, second diagonal, and third is L square plus S square under root. 3 diagonals of the face. And if you have to find the diagonal of the cuboid, which is longest diagonal, and that will be L square plus B square plus S square under root. The longest diagonal, so that extends from one edge to this. The longest diagonal, that is given by the formula L square plus B square plus S square whole under root. So these are few formulas which will be used for a cuboid. There are how many formulas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These formula will be used for a cuboid. Now let us take the cube. The formula used for cubes will be the sides are sides or edges of cube given by symbol A, because it has all the six faces of six equal faces of square size. The total surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square, because all the six faces are similar. So 6a square. Then the lateral surface area for a square. Lateral surface area means area of the four walls. And next is volume. Volume of cube will be a cube, and a into a into a. All three sides are equal. So length, breadth, and height they are equal. Then the volume will be given by a cube. Then the diagonals of faces will be a under root 2, means side multiplied by under root 2, that will be diagonal of each of the face. All the faces are equal, then the diagonal will be of the equal length for each face. And the diagonal of the cube will be a under root 3. So these are 5 formulas will be used for a cube of side A. Now let us take another shape, that is the cylinder. This is the height of the cylinder. This is the radius, and this will be the diameter. Diameter of the cylinder. So radius is a half of the diameter. This is the length or height. Length of the pipe or height for cylindrical tank. That is the height, and that may be the depth even. So first is surface area. Lateral surface area of a cylinder, that will be given by a formula 2 pi r h. The lateral surface area or curved surface area. Another word for this is curved surface area. Curved surface area or lateral surface area of the cylinder will be 2 pi r h. The total surface area will be 2 pi multiply r plus h. 2 pi r 2 pi into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h, 2 pi r into r plus h. अब इसको अगर इसको एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखें तो ये होता है 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Means this is the area for the two circular edges, and this is the formula for the curved surface area. So in short, we will write it as 2 pi r into r plus h. That is the total surface area of the cylinder. And next is volume. Volume of a cylinder. That is pi r square h. This is formula for volume of a cylinder. Next shape is a cone. This is named as a slant height. Slant height. This is the height. This is height. This is radius. Height, radius, and the slant height for the cone. Now let us take formula. Total surface area. Total surface area. Area of a cone will be pi r into r plus L. Pi multiply r and radius multiply again with r and multiply with slant height. Curved surface area pi r L, and formula for L means slant height will be r square plus s square under root. Volume of cone given by formula 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder, that is equal to volume of the cone. So these are four formulas for a cone: total surface area, curved surface area, slant height, and the volume of the cone. Now take up next shape, that is a sphere. Is sphere. Let us take the formula for sphere. This is a sphere. This is the center of the sphere. Radius. The total surface area of a sphere will be 4 pi r square. So this is the formula for total surface area of the sphere. And the next formula is volume. Volume of a sphere will be 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube, that is the volume of the sphere. The next shape is hemisphere. This is hemisphere, radius. This is the depth or height, that will be equal to radius. The depth of a hemisphere is equal to radius of the hemisphere. Therefore, surface area of a hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square, यानी half of the surface area of the sphere. But the total surface area of hemisphere will be 3 pi r square. So in this for calculating the total surface area, so that will be included, so surface area plus the area of the circular top of the hemisphere, and the volume of hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Just see, the volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. The volume of the hemisphere will be half of the volume of the sphere. Half of 4 is 2, because hemisphere is half of the sphere. So these are the formula given for the shapes to be used during this chapter. So here is the question. So these are very lengthy questions. What's problem questions? Take a sufficient space. So question is, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is open at the top. The length (1.5 meter), breadth 1.25 meters, whereas the height or depth that is 65 centimeter. So it will be 65 upon 100 meters, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So scales, you will have to learn the scales. You have to find the area for the, it is open at the top. देखिए यहाँ लिखा है ये ऊपर से खुला है, यानी एक तरह का मैच बॉक्स भी अगर आप देखें, मैच बॉक्स पे एक क्यूबॉइड होता है जिसकी लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट अलग अलग होती है, या डेप्थ अलग, जो कि ऊपर से खुला है, इसका मतलब इसके 5 फेसेस हैं. तो एरिया आपको पहले निकालना, इसका एरिया ऑफ द शीट. ये निकलेगा एरिया ऑफ द 4 वॉल प्लस एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर. क्योंकि ऊपर से खुला है तो नीचे इसका फ्लोर तो है ही. तो एरिया ऑफ द 4 वॉल 2 इंटू एल प्लस बी इंटू हाइट, और एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर हो गया एल इंटू बी. length into breadth. L 1.5 meter plus breadth is 1.25 meter, whereas the height is 65 upon 100 meter. Length is again 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 meter. अब इसको पहले ऐड करें, 1.5 को आप 1.50 कर लें दो प्लेसेस में, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक 2 प्लेसेस में लिखा है, तो ऐड करके हो गया 2.75 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 65/100 प्लस, अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें 15 के टेबल 15 डेसिमल लगेगा आफ्टर 3 प्लेसेस 1.875 मीटर स्क्वायर। आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें, 1.5 को 1.25 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आएगा 1.875 मीटर स्क्वायर। और इसको करें, पहले इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 65/100 मीटर स्क्वायर। फिफ्टी फाइव को 65 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो कितना आएगा, फाइव 7,535 3575 मीटर स्क्वायर। अब आपको इसमें लगाने हैं डेसिमल्स, 2 डेसिमल तो इसके लिए लगेंगे, नीचे 100 था, और एक डेसिमल जो है यहाँ पर लगेगा, क्योंकि हमने 5.5 लिया है, 5.50 नहीं, तो ये एक डेसिमल इसके लिए छोड़कर फिर 3 डेसिमल के बाद ये बन गया 3.575 मीटर स्क्वायर प्लस 1.875 मीटर स्क्वायर। अब टोटल ऐड करके बन गया 3.575 प्लस 1.875 0 5 4 and 5 5.45 meter square. The total area for the sheet has come is equal to 5.45 मीटर स्क्वायर। अब कैसे निकाला कि अगर हम इसके इस तरह से शेप देखें, यानी ये हो तो इस तरह से है, ये ऊपर से खुला है तो ऊपर वाली साइड नहीं लेनी, हम एक साइड ये लेंगे, एक ये, एक आगे की ऐसे, एक नीचे की, एक पीछे की, इस तरह से वन साइड, फ्रंट साइड, बैक साइड, लेटरल साइड इधर की, और एक पीछे की और एक नीचे की, तो इस तरह से 5 साइड्स होगी। तो उसके लिए एरिया ऑफ द 4 वॉल प्लस एरिया ऑफ द बेस, रेक्टेंगुलर बेस, उसको हम फ्लोर भी लिख सकते हैं, बेस भी लिखते हैं, रेक्टेंगुलर बेस। तो वो इसमें फार्मूला था 2 × L + B × हाइट, हो गया एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स यहाँ तक, प्लस एरिया ऑफ द बेस, रेक्टेंगुलर बेस वाई। टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द शीट हैज कम इक्वल टू 5.45 मीटर स्क्वायर। Now you have to find the cost. Second part is cost of the sheet required. The rate is given. 1 meter square cost is ₹20. Cost for 1 meter square sheet is equal to ₹20, and the total cost for 5.45 meter square will be 5.45 multiplied by 20, 0, 5.45 को आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया 20 से, तो 0 पहले लगा लिया, एक 0 और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आया 10900। अब आपको डेसिमल लगाना आफ्टर 2 प्लेस, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 2 प्लेस के बाद डेसिमल था तो ये आ गया, तो ₹109। दैट इज द आंसर फॉर योर क्वेश्चन। इसमें दो पार्ट थे। एक तो निकालना था एरिया ऑफ द शीट, that was 5.45 meter square, and the other part was to find the cost for the sheet, and that is ₹109. Let us take one more question. The next question is the length, breadth and the height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of the ₹7.5 per meter square. So you know the room is of the shape cuboid. The length of the room (5 meter), breadth of the room (4 meter), height of the room 3 मीटर। अब आपको निकालना है एरिया ऑफ द 4 वॉल। वाई? क्योंकि आपको सीलिंग चाहिए और एरिया ऑफ द 4 वॉल। जहां जहां सफेदी करनी है, व्हाइट वॉश करनी है, तो वॉल पे करनी है और सीलिंग पे यानी छत पे करनी है, फर्श पे नहीं। यानी इसका मतलब आपको 5 फेसेस चाहिए। जैसे एरिया ऑफ द 4 वॉल into L plus B multiply by height. (54 meter square). So area of the ceiling length into breadth 5 into 5 meter multiply by 4 meter, that is 20 meter square. So total area 54 meter square plus 20 meter square, that will be 74 meter square. तो एक पार्ट से आ गया कि कितने एरिया पे आपको व्हाइट वॉश करनी है। Now we have to find the cost of white washing. 7.5 meter, 7.5 rupees. The cost of whitewashing for 74 meter square will be 5550। अब आपको डेसिमल लगाना है। डेसिमल लगाना 2 प्लेस के बाद, तो ये आ गया ₹555। दैट इज द आंसर फॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग द रूम with 4 walls and the ceiling. So, dear students, I have given you solutions for 2 questions as well as the formula which will be used during finding the surface area, volume of cube and cuboids, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, cone. So, please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.